Every chocolate bar begins as a simple cocoa pod growing on a tropical tree. But the incredible journey from farm to factory is far more fascinating than most people realize. Chocolate starts on cocoa farms located near the equator, where warm temperatures and frequent rainfall create the perfect conditions for cocoa trees to thrive. Inside every cocoa pod are dozens of cocoa beans wrapped in a sweet white pulp. These beans are the foundation of every chocolate product in the world. The beans are fermented for several days. This important step develops the rich chocolate flavor that would otherwise never exist. After fermentation, the beans are dried under the sun until their moisture is reduced, making them ready for transport around the world. The dried cocoa beans travel thousands of kilometers before arriving at chocolate factories where the real transformation begins. The beans are roasted at carefully controlled temperatures to deepen their flavor and create the rich aroma we associate with chocolate. After roasting, the shells are removed, leaving behind cocoa nibs, the pure part of the bean that will eventually become chocolate. The cocoa nibs are ground into a thick liquid called cocoa liquor. Despite its name, it contains no alcohol, only pure cocoa. Depending on the recipe, sugar, milk powder, and cocoa butter are added to create milk chocolate, dark chocolate, or white chocolate. Next comes conking, a process that can last for hours. It smooths the chocolate, removes unwanted flavors, and creates its silky texture. The chocolate is carefully tempered to give it a glossy finish, a satisfying snap, and a smooth melt-in-your-mouth texture. Finally, the chocolate is wrapped, packaged, and shipped to stores around the world, ready to be enjoyed by millions of people every day. From a single cocoa pod on a tropical farm to the chocolate in your hand, every bite represents months of careful work and remarkable craftsmanship. If you enjoyed discovering this journey, subscribe to the Wonder Vault for more fascinating stories behind the everyday things we use.